Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Now Supplements, Ultra Omega-3 Molecularly Distilled, and Enteric Coated, 180 soft gels. For the price this can't be beat. Compare the EPA and DHA in this to other brands, and you'll see the value. 47 Kirkland Signature Enteric Coated Fish Oil Omega-3 1200 mg fish oil, 684 mg of omega-3 fatty acids, 180 soft gels pack of 2, 0. Also surprising is that the Now Foods product is 4 times cheaper than the Nordic Naturals brand per unit of DHA, and 50 cheaper than Kirkland Signature's product. The capsules are large, and may be difficult for some people, but no problem for me. Companies are not required to prove their products actually contain the advertised amounts of the supplement. Only downside is they aren't in triglyceride form, but for the price you can't go wrong with this ethyl ester fish oil. The 2-to-1 EPTA ratios seem ideal, since DHA is a more unstable omega-3. The product actually reduces the nasty fish oil burps, and contains enough omegas to show the anti-inflammatory benefits of fish oil. Watch out for other formulations that promise a lot of fish oil, but skimp on the EPTA. No fish burps at all. If you are looking for a great fish oil supplement, buy this now. Like they had been in heat, maybe one side of the bottle is somewhere normal colored, and others were darker, and smelled more fishy. There was no smell, and the inner seal had been unbroken, but the gelatin capsules had a cloudy, textured look to them. Second choice, but turns out to have no aftertaste, and is probably as good as Arctic Pure. This is also a great brand, and lists the exact amount and type of omega-3s you get. You can buy cheaper elsewhere, but your quality goes down, and you have to double, and sometimes triple up the dosages to get what No Foods gives you. A little large for swallowing, however, it's a great product for getting in your omega fish oils. The enteric coating is supposed to prevent fish burps, but doesn't work as much as it should. CDP choline stimulates your brain to produce acetylcholine, and Now Ultra Omega Fish Oil provides the ample choline source for your brain to synthesize acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter. Do your research, and you'll find this is one of the best fish oil products on the market. Really good, and it has a high DHA and EPA, which are the fatty acids you need to help lower your cholesterol. These are rather large gel capsules, but they are very smooth and well tapered, so they aren't difficult to swallow. Read carefully. Some others advertise hyper-serving omega-3 content, but one serving may be 3 capsules. Also, pay attention to whether the MGS indicate fish oil amount, rather than omega-3 EPTA potency. Why is this brand one of the best? The high amount of EPTA per capsule, of course. It is good value for money, and so far it has not given me any fishy burps. Was looking for an omega vitamin with no fish burps, but alas, this gives them to me also. These fish oil soft gels provide some of the highest quality fish oil, and highest level of omega-3. Definitely better than most fish oils, and don't get those fishy burps like you do in most of the other products. Great to know that they are a good O3 for the money, but the capsules smell horrible, and fishy. First off, they need to learn how to read and/or put the actual cholesterol-free bottle on the listing. Not sure what happened there, but fish oil is one supplement that's not worth the risk. For general health, 250 mg of combined EPA and DHA is the minimum dose, and can be obtained via fish intake. Perlmutter recommends 1000 mg of DHA daily, and it's fine to buy DHA that comes in combination with EPA. An advertisement currently running on TV for Bayer Pro Ultra Omega-3 claims the Bayer fish oil product has twice the hard health-related ingredients as the leading omega-3 supplement. A Bayer website lists their key fish oil ingredients for a serving of 2 gel caps as 360 mg of EPA, and 140 mg of DHA for a total of 500 mg. The optimum omega-3 is listed as having a total of 1,400 mg of these 2 key ingredients per serving of 2 gel caps. This is a very good price for the concentration and ratio of EPA and B that you get in each capsule. One of the steps is to consume omega-3 fatty acids in the amount of 1000 EPA 500 DHA per day. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.